Alright, so I thought I would show you my automotive toolbox. Just to give you a tour of my toolbox. It has the tools I use to work my cars in it. So to start off, it is a old Craftsman plastic box, made in Mexico. Just Sears Craftsman. I think an old boss gave this to me. Pretty nice toolbox. I don't carry it around that much, it just kind of sits. So nice plastic case, decent quality. Has some compartments up here for stuff. It is kind of old and used, but nothing's broken on it. So yeah, keep some pieces in here. Now if you do try to pick it up, this latch will kind of fall open like that. But overall pretty decent. So we can start off in here with just a Craftsman razor blade knife and a Harbor Freight Pittsburgh spark plug socket. I got some Pittsburgh adapters, and I got some other adapters from the auto parts store. So that's what that is. Look in here, and we get the rest of it. Now I already have a video about this. This is my Craftsman Wrench Set. Very nice. Love this thing. Really nice. I'll link the other video below, but very good quality. So then we have a wrench set here. Just regular wrenches. This is a Sears era Craftsman pouch with a Sears Craftsman USA made wrenches. Very nice quality. I got these in an antique store for a good deal, and then someone gave me this this here. Now I do have one gear wrench, ratcheting wrench in here. These are all metric besides this ratcheting wrench. That was just kind of a bonus. But yeah, real nice sleeve. I like the sleeves. You can kind of roll them up and keep everything compact. So this is a good quality sleeve too. So close that back up. And then my next one is a brand new one I just got today. It's a Hart metric ratcheting wrench set from Walmart. Now I also have a separate video on this, but these for 35 bucks, these are pretty decent if you don't use them that often, but you want to have ratcheting wrenches. This is a good deal. It comes with a pouch. Not many companies have a pouch included with their wrench set, especially for $35. So I haven't got a chance to actually use it yet, but so far, I mean, I like it. It's pretty good quality for the price. So, yeah, I really like the sleeves for wrenches. Just make it so much more compact. Alright, next we have deep sockets. These are Harbor Freight Pittsburgh deep sockets. So, just basic Harbor Freight. Also a Harbor Freight storage thing here, the metal one. So they work. Don't use it that much, so they work. Next we have Harbor Freight Quinn pliers. I had these with a different toolkit until I replaced them. A little bit bent on the tip there, but this is a mix of old tools and newer tools. So any tools I don't use for my business or job or anything like that, I just got in my main tool bag. I just throw in here. So yeah, these work for working on the car. And before we go any further in here, this is my Tech 10 impact socket set. So, impact wrench, you gotta have impact sockets. These are 3/8 Tech 10, very good quality brand. Got these off Amazon for like 30 bucks. Really good deal, and a good quality set. I like Tech 10. Recently, they've been out of stock of a lot of different tools lately. So I'm glad I got this a while ago. But very helpful. Always good to have impact sockets because you don't want to use these on an impact wrench. They will shatter. Cobalt screwdriver. It's got a broken tip on it, so I just threw it in here and replaced it in my main tool bag or toolbox. Little, yeah, flathead broke on there, so nice to have in here. And what else we got? A little filter for a heart vacuum. This is just a little, kind of a little power supply thing for heart batteries. Also give you a battery status indicator since they don't have that built in the smaller batteries. Here's a heart inverter. So this is very nice to have. I got this on clearance. So I got this, most of the heart tools I got a good deal on. That's why I have them. So heart vacuums, heart impact wrench, and other heart accessories. So they're just convenient and cheap. So this thing's pretty neat. Not the greatest quality, but it works for what I need it. Nice, always nice to have an inverter. I should probably keep a battery in here if I have an inverter. These are just Craftsman screwdrivers I use for the car. I like the way they're shaped. I like the rubber handles. I'm gonna use this a few times, and the tip is bent on here already, so not too thrilled about that. This is still fine, but decent screwdrivers for the price, I guess. The newer Craftsman stuff isn't as good quality as the Sears one, I think. Just another Craftsman razor blade knife, Craftsman bottle opener, one of the old style ones. This is a Pittsburgh Extendable Ratchet. If you need a little extra leverage. It also has 3/8 and quarter or whatever on here. And this is a neat ratchet. I haven't used it that much, but it's nice to have. Breaker bar. So this has been very handy. This is a channel lock breaker bar. Grabbed this at like Ace Hardware or something like that. Harbor Freight was sold out. This is a spark plug tester or ignition tester. Never really used it. And we got random parts in here, just kind of random bits. Sockets. These are Perform Max from Menards. Those are always good to have. A Craftsman USA pliers, old Craftsman pliers, pretty decent. Pittsburgh Allen wrenches. I don't like to spend money on, little tools like that. And these are socket extensions. These are Hart brand. So grab these at Walmart for a decent deal. Those are always good to have. There's a blade from my circ saw, Craftsman. Keep that in there. More Pittsburgh Harbor Freight adapters. So for what's in the toolbox, that's pretty much it. Now I do have some other tools I use to work on my cars. And this is all stuff that, either bought on a whim or found a deal on. So it's just a good mix of different brands. So I'll show you what else I have, and everything fits in here nice too. Yeah, those, I like the pouches, those are nice. Craftsman Light, someone gave that to me. This is a small 1/4 Craftsman Wrench Set. Nice little set, old US made Sears Craftsman one. It's handy if you have a tight space to get into or just need a quick set to grab. So I like it, I've had that for a while. Heart battery, 4 amp hour, heart impact wrench. Pretty decent wrench for the price. If I ever need to upgrade, I might upgrade to cobalt, so because I got a few cobalt things. But that's pretty much it. So that is my automotive toolbox and what I have. Pretty much everything you need. Alright, thanks for watching.